What is up, people? What is going on? Good morning, good morning, good morning. And we back, baby. We back. Welcome in. It is Wednesday, January 17th. Day one after my birthday, my 24th birthday. Hope everyone's having an amazing morning. And let's see what today has in store. Looks like we're grinding lower. Seems like the downtrend should theoretically be done. Well, I mean, we had this nice move down, break, couple legs down to this new low. We're getting a lot of support, but oh no, I feel like we might just take out all these stops and work lower. We'll see. We're getting way too sideways though to take any trade, but when we do take a trade, we'll be ready. We'll be ready, baby. Wait for those setups. Always. Always. But what's going on? We had a great day yesterday with this new method. No more 1-point scalps. Now we're definitely just price action traders. Going for larger moves. I don't know who's watching right now exactly, but for about almost 3 years now, I've been exclusively just doing 1-point scalps. But now I'm deciding to have a little shift and be more confident in my setups, hold them for a little longer. So we'll see how it goes. Day one yesterday went well. Was a success. We'll keep it up. We'll keep it up, baby. Interesting spot if you're gonna pick a bottom here. I mean, it would be the place to do it, but then again, you could just get trapped like it looks like we're gonna have. We'll see. We'll see right here what happens. Too stacked, in my opinion, to take a long or short though. I'm not confident in anything right now. If we do break above this EMA, I'm at least expecting us to get to the top of this little mini congestion we got. Unless we just start working lower like we just did. And there we go. There we go. So yeah, I mean, if you took this lower high right here, sort of breakout pullback pattern, I was considering it, but I don't know, we were just so sideways. I in the moment wasn't completely sure about it, so it's okay. It's okay to skip trades when you're not 100% certain on exactly if it's going to work out or not. That's the name of the game. That's the name of the game. But let's see how much further we keep going down. I'd rather wait for a nice two-legged pullback, then we can go short. But if this is a valid downtrend, we're definitely bouncing off of the top side of the trend channel. It's another thing to keep in mind right there. And we're going down. So let's see if this is a measured move. This first leg of the overnight. It's one leg. And if this is the second leg we're starting now, downside target, it's about 47.55. We got only about 6 points to go until there. So that's my initial target. Good morning, Bill. Good morning, Exponential Trader. How you guys doing today? Let's see if we can get a nice pullback. I want to see a test at that EMA. Might just keep working lower though. Might just keep working lower without an opportunity to get in. Now I'm really thinking I should have taken that trade back here. That would have been a nice setup. But we're consistently bouncing off this trend channel we have. So, I mean, 1 bounce, 2 bounces, really 3 touches, 4 touches, 5, 6, 7 confirmations. So can't just ignore that. It's possible there's a wider channel, but I like playing these 2 tiers like that. Let's see if we work back down to that 55 level and make that measured move. Let's take a look at the daily as well. So daily, we took out a few of the lows from previous days. Really the next significant area would be about, I mean, see this nice bearish looking bar? That was the 20th of December. So that's about 47.42. So that might be another potential target to look out for. On the 20th. Don't have that loaded up right now, but yeah, we got about 20 points to go until there, if we get there. And once again, we're getting some sideways movement, so it seems like, okay, this downtrend is losing steam. Every time that we get that sort of sideways movement, we just keep working lower so far. So till we get a clear break above that EMA, I'm not thinking short. But it is something to note. So also within this downtrend we got, if this is 1 leg down and another leg down here, we met that and then still went further down. So it might just mean we should be looking at a larger leg, maybe something like this is 1 leg down, this is 2 legs, and then that would get us just a little past our first initial target. So I'm keeping this arrow down just to give us an idea of where we should expect prices to go. So ideally, if we were to take a short setup, I'd want to see a clear 2 legs up. To me, this just looks like 1 leg up. I mean, here's your first entry short, first rejection at that EMA. Let's see if we can get another leg up. Okay, so here's that higher low. We do have 2 legs up. Basically, it takes us right to where we are right now, 65.25. And we're pushing. So let's see if we can get a lower high. See if we work back below the EMA. That's what I want to see. right now, kind of hovering in no man's land. Okay, and here we go. Here we go. Let's see if we can get a lower high. Let's see if we can push through that EMA. Or, I don't know. Are we going to have a reversal pattern? Are we really going to reverse right now? I don't think so. Not on my watch. Yeah, so technically, if you're counting from the low, we had one leg up. First, second entry short now. Rejected right off where we had all of these stacked bars back here, right at market open. Let's see what we do now. This 47.65 level, we got a lot of rejection there. What's going on? What's going on? Miwash. XYZ. How you doing, bro? How you doing? So yeah, I'm looking for this as one leg. Sort of two legs up. You can clearly see one leg, two legs up. And then looks like we're definitely just starting that second leg down. 47.55, that's the target. That is the target, baby. $100 profit, there you go. Man, that's nothing for you. That's easy. That's easy for you, man. You do that in your sleep. And if anyone was at their computer at about 5 a.m., 8 a.m. Eastern, 5 a.m. Pacific, this is a nice looking lower high here. I mean, clear move down, two legs up. Top of the fact that this is a nice little range, lower high. Boom, you could have rode that down all the way here. Thank you, Douglas. I appreciate it. Thank you. Had a good trip out there. Successful business trip, for sure. Third year in a row winning the Lebanese National Cross Country Championship. So yeah, big accomplishment. And next up is the World Championship. That's in Serbia in a couple of months in March. That's the next big thing to look out for. Alright, looks like we're bound to just break below this. Looks like we might just... Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. You took that failed second entry long. So you went... Where's the failed second entry long? I don't see any failed second entry long. Back here? Somewhere back here? Your claim to fame are 3 marathons, all about 4 hours? Hey, I've never even done 1 marathon. So there you go, man. Not bad at all. Marathons are no joke. How often do I do these live trading not king sessions? I don't know what do you mean not king session? But every day, every weekday. Unless I'm traveling, every morning we do these live streams, baby. Okay, so another thing to pay attention to is that we did have this move down, break, new low. We're getting a little congested, so we can also see the EMA is kind of losing steam, losing that sort of downward angle, getting a little flatter. But then again, we do have our downside target that we got to pay attention to. Until I party at a concert the night before. Yeah, baby. Exactly. Then I got to get my rest. Got to come fresh to the trading desk. I mean, I love music so much, would definitely understand. I mean, look at the the name of the channel. Russell. Looks like this sort of channel might be valid as well. Where we had a steeper one going, now we kind of corrected into this 45, roughly 45 degree angle channel. So let's see if it holds up, but we got several touches on the bottom and top side. But I'm betting we're still going lower. I'm betting we're going lower. They're just trying to stall it, play with us a little bit. But I think we're bound to break below these stops. Okay, so we're getting a nice pull back to the EMA. Definitely looking a little sideways, but let's see if we touch the top side of this channel we got again. Let's see. Let's see, mate. I'm saying we're going down. Might be going down right here. We'll see. But even then, we don't have a ton of room till that downside target. Only about 5 points from where we're at right now. But that would be that measured move. But man, look how sideways we are right now. Hey, good morning, Thomas. I appreciate it. Thank you, man. You too. Good luck. Good luck to you and everyone in the Momo Trades chat. But man, we're going so sideways right now. Maybe we're just... I mean, we have some low impact news at 7 Pacific, 10 Eastern. So, I mean, maybe we're just stalling until then. We'll see, but... How many bars are sideways right now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 bars. 14 sideways bars. With about 6, 7 matching lows. Okay, there we go. Finally, we broke below. Finally, we broke below, but now we're just working back into this little mini congestion. So I want to see prices actually work higher. I want to see us take out the high of this little congestion we have, and then look for a failed breakout lower. But 7 a.m. we have some business inventories, NAHB housing market index news. 7 minutes to go. Okay, and there we go. And believe it or not, I would have, if this bullish bar actually went a little lower and closed not directly into the middle of this congestion, that would have been a nice little trade to take, just betting that we're going to get to the top side of this congestion. But I mean, in this case, if I had gone long, it would have only been like 1 point to the highs, so definitely risky. But now we had a nice breakout like that. So let's see what we do. Let's see, do we have another leg up? Do we get rejected and work lower? Who knows? Yeah, reversal could come at any moment, Gonzalo. That's what I'm maybe thinking now. I mean, let's look at the naked chart. Let's get rid of the drawings. Yeah, it really doesn't look like super strong downtrend, but I mean, let's see. If this, to me, this just looks like one little range. See if we extend that range a little lower. Might just that we're in this like two-tiered range. But definitely early to tell, but it's possible. Something like this. We're getting a ton of buying right now. I'm gonna stay out of it. I'm gonna stay out. I don't know what exactly is gonna happen. Might be a little trap though, Gonzalo. So yeah, nice lower high, very, very bearish bar, but once again, it's closing right into the middle of that congestion. I mean, if I were to take a trade right now, I'd sell here. Target would be the low, 57, 58. But, I don't know, it's risky. It's risky. Yeah, I'm saying we're coming down to test the low. That's the low of the day. Let's see if we do it. If I'm aiming for more points, would I consider increasing my risk? It depends on the trade. It depends on the trade. But potentially, yeah. I'm actually gonna try to sneak in. I'm gonna try to sneak in a short here. But might just go down without us. If we have another nice little pullback rejection at the EMA, I'm gonna go short. But we might just go to the lows without us. We'll see. I want to see another test at that EMA. Now, on a day like today, I don't know if I would take an any trade. But I mean, yeah, that's why if I'm looking for bigger moves, it forces me to only really take trades that I am confident where there will be a bigger move, which is good. So I'll take less trades overall for sure. All right, what are we gonna do with this bar? I just want to get a better entry. I'm still thinking we're going lower. I'm gonna put my stop loss up here. And then I'm saying target at least the low of the day. So let's see if we can get there. Let's see, but we're in this short. Got a pretty good entry. Let's see what happens. If we hit the low of the day, I'm gonna just trail my stop. Yeah, bigger measure move would take us to about 55. We just got to break below. We got to break below 58. 47.58. We're working. We're getting there. But really, it's a first, second entry long failure as well. So it is a nice little trap. But we do have a lot of support here as well. But I want to see us test that low. We'll see if we do. Maybe not. I mean, it's a 2.5 point risk, so even if we get taken out, it's got to be something that we're okay with. But yeah, I mean, we did go short right into a lot of support, but I mean, I was still confident we were gonna make that measured move down here. We're still alive, but I mean, if we get rid of that downtrend, we're slightly making lower lows, but it really just looks like, at least now, like a range, something like that. So let's see if we get stopped out. Looks like it. Okay. It is what it is. It is what it is. But I'm still thinking we're not done going lower. But the safer thing to do would have been to just trail my stop down after this lower high. Just limit the risk even more. Then I would have got out with only a tiny little loss, but it's all good. It's all good. We'll make it up on the next one. They were playing with us, Gonzalo. They were definitely playing with us. But now we can just play this as a potential failed breakout if we get the opportunity. So we had this leg up. break out of the range. Let's see how we react here. Took out a ton of stops along the way. Honestly, looking back, I was kind of in that scalper's mindset when I mean, even if we're looking at the big picture here, yeah, like if we're looking for a measured move, we should aim for down at 47.55, but also there's clear 2 legs down. Doesn't have to be exact. Even with this second leg, there was already a break, move to a new low. And we were going pretty sideways, so learning experience for sure. Yeah, so it's possible we're just in this 2-tiered range from overnight until now. We're approaching that midline right now. So it's possible we really are just sideways. I mean, that's what it looks like visually. So that's the thing, like, really, I should have been in the mindset of, okay, we're getting close to these lows. There's a ton of support. Let's actually look for a long setup and see if we can work higher. So now we have this leg up, break, move to a new high. Let's see if we get rejected here right at the midline. And we might potentially have another move to the lows. We'll see. But two stacked. Navo, thanks. Appreciate it. Got that victory out there. Thank you, Navo. You were buns. 1735K. Hey, that's not bad at all. In high school? I mean, my best, I've only ran a 5K a couple times in a track race in college. My best is about 1430, but like peak fitness, I could run like right around 14 flat for a 5K if I train specifically for a 5K. Maybe sub 14. I mean, there's levels to it. There's people who run close to even sub 13 minutes. So yeah, there's levels to it. Okay, so we took out these stops. We had the break of this move, one leg up, two legs up. Let's see, if we get a lower high below that EMA, might look for a short expecting to get to the lows of the day. Could be what might happen. But the theme of the day, we're just looking sideways. Yeah, this market's slow right now. Choppy. But hey, we're bound to have a nice move soon. Just wait. We just got to be patient. And really, maybe the measured move, we were just looking at it wrong. I mean, if I measure it from the high down to this swing low here, and then from the high of the next leg, it basically brings us to where we are. Because, I mean, let's take a look. Oh. So like within this first move down, it really is one leg down, two legs down. Yeah. So that's what we should have seen. So like at least in my eyes, like this was the valid first leg down. So we should have been measuring it from this swing high to this swing low. If I bring that now to the next swing high here, basically brings us exactly where we started having a lot of congestion. So honestly, I was looking at the measured move the wrong way, because I measured it from the very high to the very low, when in reality, if we look within this one move, we should also see two legs. But if we measure those two legs, one leg, two leg, that's what takes us here. So if we extend that, bang, bang. Depending, even if actually we start the leg from this little swing high, because once again, let's look at this as two legs. One leg up here, two legs up. It's really like this official high is part of that move up. When we started going down, it was really at this swing high. Boom, that brought us exactly where we went. I mean, easy easy as always looking back, but yeah, it was risky going short right into these lows. Regardless of anything else, it was risky going short into these lows. Yeah, congestion, Gonzalo. Well, while you're waiting, if you guys wouldn't mind liking the video, we got 6 likes. We can bring that up, guys. Let's pump that up. Let's pump those numbers. Seven likes, baby. That's what I like to see. 8 likes. So yeah, bunch of conflicting patterns right now. Could potentially be making a second leg up. Could be working back down into this range. Then we got this mini congestion area that we went from the highs to the lows. Now it looks like we might be working back up. It's a lot of things to consider right now. I love music so much. All right, I appreciate you being in here. Yeah, I mean that's why we're here. What instrument do you trade? What do you trade with? So yeah, looks like we're once again headed back to the lows of the day. But really what I'm thinking about, I want to see us take out the lows and take out a lot of stops, and then I want to look for a long setup down here. That's, in my opinion, the smart trade to look for. Oil, natural gas. Are you just trading with your own money? I love music so much. You using your own money? Ooh. Oh, sim. Okay, yeah, that's good to start out sim trading for sure. Don't be eager to jump the gun. Stay sim trading as long as you need. You want to do the Apex thing? You're really excited? Yeah, I mean, if you're confident in your sim trading, you've been profitable for like, I don't know, a few weeks, couple months, then it might be time to start using Apex or a prop firm, risking a little bit of money. But it's really up to you. I mean, maybe there's 80% off sale right now. You could get one account for very, very cheap. Like, let's see how much it would be. If I click get started, even a 25K account. Wait up, let me see what's going on the trading screen. Let's see. So it comes out to $29 with the 80% discount for a 25K account, and you can use 4 contracts. So yeah, I mean, if you want to risk any money, that would be the way to do it before throwing in thousands, but either that or continue some trading. So I'm seeing this. We have one leg down like that. Then another leg takes us to about 59.75. If we get to there, might be time to be worth looking for a long setup. Then honestly, the upside target might be all the way up here, 47.80. But who knows? We might be having a nice push up right now. We might not even get back to the lows. Because just visually, if you look at this, it is 1, 2 legs down. So it might be time to just, start working hard right now. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, here we go. Yeah, might be time to work higher. We'll see. Yeah, all traps. This is all traps on traps on traps. That's what I was about to say. Like, looks like we were gonna form a lower high and a higher low. We didn't even create any. We just went sideways. So who knows what's gonna happen? Mr. Kevin, I'm good, man. How are you? I've been traveling a lot the past couple months, but now we're back. Now we're back in business. What's going on? Yeah, so we definitely might just make a move back up here. Around 47.80. It's possible. It is possible for sure, mate. Yeah, went well, man. I don't know if you saw, but we well, I did. I won the Lebanese cross-country championship about a little over a week ago. Number 1, baby. 3-peat, 3-time champion. Number one. Had to show them who's boss a little bit, you know? We got the victory. It was a 10K, 10,000 meter race. So now qualified for the World Championship. The World Cross Country Championship against the real big guns, the best in the world in Serbia in March, end of March. Thank you. It's all thanks to your support. Yeah, looking back at this losing trade, even though we had a downside target, I should not have just ignored all these bars. Like, I should have just taken out my trade at about 47.59, these lows right here. It wasn't worth the risk. I mean, where did we go short? Let's see. So we went short 47.61. Yeah, we should have just taken it for a 2 point 2-point trade. All right, let's see if we get a lower high here. I want to see a lower high. Let's get it. Let's get a lower high, baby. Doesn't look like we're getting any lower high, though. At least yet. Maybe here. Maybe this is it. Maybe this is what we're looking for. Maybe not. Maybe yes, but not right now. Yeah, so here's that lower high. I would have loved to see it form a couple bars back. Now we're just looking too stacked. I don't know about this setup. This is the naked chart. We're just forming another range within a range. That's exactly what we're doing. We're just forming another range within a range. That's what it looks like to me. All right, so trap trade incoming. It's a second entry short on top of a failed second entry long. But the bars are so sideways. Definitely risky. Did anyone take advantage of the 80% off Apex sale yet? They're only doing a short sale. It's about 2 more days. 2 more days for 80% off. 80% off and 1 day to pass the eval. So if you're extra aggressive, you have some money to say, you know what, let me just try to pass these in 1 day. You have the opportunity now, but obviously more risky if you choose to do that. But I might get some more evals. We'll see. We'll see. The 80% offs haven't been that common as of late, I'll say. It's been a lot of 71% off. Are the 1A eval or just for fun accounts? What do you mean by that? What's a for fun account? I mean, it's whatever you want it to be. If it's by the end of the day you haven't passed it, it's gone. No. You just have the option. You just have the option to pass it in one day if you wanted to. So like, instead of having to trade 7 days, if you make all the profit in one day, you pass it in one day. But if you don't, it's fine. No, you don't have to. You don't have to pass it all in one day. You just have the ability to. Okay, and there's that push up. Long awaited push up. So yeah, clear, one leg down, 2 legs down at the support area of this little mini range we got drawn. I almost took it. If it was a lower risk bar, I would have taken it, but we closed right at the middle. Like such a big bar. Always has a little more risk. Yeah, so that's what I was saying. Like, if you're very aggressive and you want to be very aggressive, yeah, you have the option. Boom. Try to pass it all in one day. If not, no, you're good. But the only thing that you have to do is that you have to use my discount code. That's the only way you can have it applied. So KEYOWVXY at the top of the screen. That's the only code you can use. It's special for me. I had to pay Apex a lot of money to offer this for you guys. You're welcome. And another criteria is that you have to get at least 10 accounts using my code. Nah, I'm just playing. But we gotta play around a little bit when we have such a choppy little market. My goodness. At least now we're having some movement. There we go. All right, so it's essentially 2 legs up here if we're looking at this as 1 leg. Second leg basically takes us to where we're at right now. So yeah, from here, 60.75 all the way up to 69. 8.5, 8.25 points. Then this low, 62.75 to 70.75, 8 points. So one tick off. Maybe we'll get that one tick right now. Who knows? The market can be exact. Sometimes it's not exact. But a lot of the times it is. And it would make sense. One more tick would take us above this swing high. Right now we're just a matching high. Okay, so there's that move up. Couple scenarios. I mean, we might just work back up 47.80. We might work back lower into this range we got. A lot of things could happen. If we have a nice bearish bar, I'm leaning short. I'm saying if we go lower, we'll at least go to about the bottom of this range, 63.50, 47.63.5. Not a very convincing bar, though. Not a very convincing bar. Come on, man. Where's that beautiful signal bar? Can we get it right now? Can we get it right now? Let's take a look. Naked chart. Feels a little empty, but definitely looks like we're in this range. So there's that bearish bar we're looking for. I'm tempted to go short. Very tempted. Maybe we'll get a lower high. If we get a lower high, I'm gonna take it. But I'm saying prices are likely headed back to about this area right here. At least to the low of this mini range we got. So yeah, if this signal bar had been nice and bearish, would have went short all day. Mr. Thomas is saying there's a nice potential uptrend forming. I don't know. It looks more sideways to me. Are you talking about this? I don't really see it as that. Usually when is that wide and we have so much sideways movement, I'm better off personally just playing it as a range. That's where I got tripped up back here, playing this as a nice downtrend. Ended up just being purely sideways. I want to see a nice lower high. Let's break above this bar and then work lower, baby. That's what I want to see. But maybe we are forming an uptrend. Who knows? Are we going to close lower? Are we going to close below that EMA? That's the question. Not yet. Maybe this will be a lower high, though. Who knows? We shall see. We shall see. Okay. Might just be forming another leg up. Or are we? Alright, this might be that short I'm looking for. Took out a lot of stops here. Let's see how we close. Oh my god. Alright, try to sneak. I'm trying to get in with the limit. Trying to get in. Trying to get in. Closed on us pretty quickly. Alright, we're in the trade. It is a high risk. 4-point risk. About 4-point reward. Alright, we're gonna do 1-to-1. 1-to-1. See if we work back lower here. But it is big risk for sure. So I liked it as a failed breakout. Man, are we gonna get trapped right here? Is it gonna happen? We just wait and see. We wait and see. Honestly, those trades that close right at that EMA, it's always a little risky. Maybe we'll get a lower high here. Let's see if we can work back into that range. Come on, man. We're grinding. We're grinding. But, I mean, the bars were pretty stacked. They're still stacked. We gotta come down, take these stops. Come on, man. Alright, we're testing that EMA. EMA is pretty flat as well. But let's see if we can take out these stops down here. Hopefully the resistance here will win out and we'll make another leg down. Let's go. Let's go. Hurry up. Maybe aim for the low of the mini range down here. I mean, if I was going to do that, I might as well just take it out at break even. Yeah, a larger level. This is also 2 legs up. Yeah, triple test now. Really, I mean, more than a triple test. We got so many tests at this level. I want to say we're bound to go down, but we'll see. We'll see. I feel like we're going to have a nice, strong move down at some point. At some point. Oh, triple test on the bottom. I got you. I got you. But I'm leaning towards the top side resistance being stronger. Okay, so we took out these stops. Let's see if we can keep going lower. Can we do it? Can we do it? Let's go, Kevin. Let's go. Let's go, Kevin. Come on. Let's take out this stop now. Let's see how we react. We break below this bar. I'm gonna just trail my stop one tick above it. So hopefully we can keep working lower and it'll minimize my risk to only like 2 ticks. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, so only risking 2 ticks now. Let's see if we can make a nice strong move. Come on. Come on, man. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna let it breathe. I'm gonna let it breathe. I'm gonna let it breathe a little bit. I'm still leaning towards us working lower. So I'm gonna let it breathe. I don't want to get taken out. Maybe I should have taken it out. Maybe I should have taken it out. God damn. But we're still in it. We're still in it. So yeah, maybe I shouldn't have just ignored all this. I mean, definitely shouldn't have ignored this support down here. I might get taken out, man. Should have left my stop down here, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Still alive somehow. Yeah, that's why these slow, choppy days, it's always tough to try to look for a bigger move. Even looking back, yeah, this trade, stacked on stacked on stacked. We're out. We're out. So I made a lot of mistakes there. Should have just trailed my stop down here. Probably should have just taken it out when I had the chance. And that's going to call it a day. I'm done for the day. 2 losses, always done. I got my Guardian Angel trader, so I can't even place a trade anymore. But really the main thing was, let's take a look, or get rid of all these drawings. It's just stacked. It's just stacked. Really nothing there, but we'll be back tomorrow. Peace out. And Apex 80% off, 1 day to pass evals. Use the code if you want to take advantage of that. Peace out, and like the video on your way out, please.